Welcome friends. Welcome back to TechUnboxPro, where we bring you honest and detailed smartphone reviews. Today we are taking a deep look at the brand new Infinix 13 Pro 5G, a phone that is creating massive hype in the market. Starting with the design, the Infinix 13 Pro 5G looks premium and modern. The glass finish back, slim frame, and elegant camera module give it a true flagship feel. In hand, the phone feels solid and well balanced, making it comfortable for long usage. Now let's talk about the display, one of the biggest highlights. You get a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which means super smooth scrolling, better gaming visuals, and an overall premium viewing experience. Colors look vibrant, blacks are deep, and outdoor visibility is excellent. Under the hood, the Infinix 13 Pro 5G is powered by a high-performance Dimensity processor, making it perfect for multitasking and heavy gaming. Games like PUBG, Call of Duty, and Genshin Impact run smoothly with stable frame rates. There is minimal heating, thanks to improved cooling technology. Camera lovers will be impressed because this phone features a 200-megapixels AI main camera. Photos come out sharp with excellent detail, good dynamic range, and accurate colors. Night mode performance is also improved, and the front camera delivers clean and social media-ready selfies. Battery life is another strong point. The large battery easily lasts a full day, even with heavy usage. Plus, fast charging support ensures you are back to 100% quickly. Overall, the Infinix 13 Pro 5G is a complete package with flagship-level features at a competitive price. If you're looking for a powerful 5G smartphone in 2026, this device definitely deserves your attention. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with friends, and subscribe to TechUnboxPro for more premium tech content. See you in the next one.